Hi, my name is Samantha Enzminger, a sophomore at Bismarck State College. I will be graduating in May with a legal administrative assistant degree. I have recently done an internship, so I plan to tell you the basics of finding, applying, and receiving the internship you want and you deserve. I was against internships when I found out I had to do one for school, but now that I have done it and realized what it is about, I think it does have a lot of benefits for college students. To get this presentation started, I will begin by telling you the importance of internships and their benefits. Internships are important because it helps you realize what your goals in life are and if you will be happy doing this type of job for the rest of your life. Also, if you are doing an internship, you do not have to stay after your time is done. If you decide you don't like working for that company or what they have to offer you, then you can leave after your hours are done. It is a lot easier to leave an internship when you're finished rather than having to quit a job a few weeks after you start because you decide it isn't right for you. People constantly quitting because they realize that job is wrong for them is why a lot of employers won't hire somebody that doesn't have internship experience anymore. They know if that person has done an internship, that they know what the job is about, how to do the job, and that they obviously like what they do. An internship will also provide you with work experience that is directed for your college major, and it is proven that students with internships have a higher chance of landing a full-time position after their college graduation than students that have no experience at all when it comes to internships. The excitement of internships. When I find the most exciting about internships is that it really shows you if this is the right career choice for you. Most internships you will be doing what an employer would expect of you if you were their employee. Another benefit of an internship is that it gives you a chance for potential employment with that internship place if they like what you have to offer. Depending on when you decide to do your internship, you could have the opportunity to go out of state and experience what they have to offer and see if it is a place you would like to someday work and live. How to find an internship. Many times people are worried about how they will find an internship, but there are so many ways to find an internship. The one that I found to be the most beneficial when it came to finding an internship for myself is searching on the internet. I think this works the best because you can limit where you want to look, whether you want to strictly search your area or you can look for internships all over the world. Another way to find an internship is to talk to your college advisor. They will normally know if internships that are coming up or businesses that are looking for a young intern. There are many ways to find internships if you just put the effort into it. The strategies to get the internship you want is to have prepared for it early in advance. You need to have activities with school and volunteering. You also need to know how to prepare a cover letter and resume. You should also take the time to research questions asked in internship interviews and prepare for how you would answer them if you were asked. You also need to know how to do a follow-up after the interview is over. You should learn how to do all of this in one of your college classes. But many employers look at this and realize you are dedicated and you would really like to have the internship position. Most importantly, you always have to remember that you may not be the only one applying for this position. And just because you have the grades does not mean you have the skills to successfully complete this internship. There are many times when a potential employer will pick a person with decent grades over a person with excellent grades, just because of how they present themselves and because they may have more activities to show for their time than just school. The intern responsibilities. The responsibilities of an intern are to demonstrate a high level of professionalism, communicating effectively, and knowing how to respect the organization's policies and procedures. You will have to follow the standards of the company's dress codes and, of course, follow the job duties that they assign to you. The company you will be doing the internship for will usually set the ground rules for what they expect of you. The information before applying. When it comes to applying for an internship, the first thing you should do is research the company. You should know what they do before you even make this decision to apply. Researching the company and proving that you know about the company and what they do will also impress the person that interviews you. If you follow the steps and do the research you need, then you shouldn't have a problem getting the internship you want. I hope this presentation helps you get the internship that you want and deserve, and you have the luck I did with turning an internship into a job.